What's up guys? I'm just going to be showing a short tutorial for conditionals because it's ridiculous that I've not done conditional statements in Python yet. Because they're one of the most important things in any scripting language. So, you know when I showed like 3 greater than 4 and it'd show up false, or I could put it less than and it would be true? Well, you can put these into an if statement or a conditional statement, meaning that if this condition is true, then run whatever is in here. So if 3 is greater than 2, print, hey, 3 is greater than 2. So don't forget the colon. It's kind of like an if-then statement, but in this programming language, it's just a colon. So, hey, 3 is greater than 2. Okay, it did it correctly. Now if I said less than, which is a false statement, and said print, oh my god, I think I actually, well this is wrong even though it looks correct. Because the problem here is it just gave out that. I need to actually put the parentheses around here, but it looks alright. Let's then print. Dang it. I'm having a horrible day, guys. Sorry. Okay, so if 3 less than 2, which is not, print hey. So it didn't print hey because it doesn't meet that condition. You can also set something called nested if statements or nested conditional statements. So let's say if 2 less than 3 colon, and then if 3 greater than 2, which both those are true statements, print hey, this is awesome. So it's awesome because both those are true. I also think that I didn't actually show input yet, which is really sad. So there's 2 different types of input in the Python world that I know about anyways, or can think of right now. Let's call this file input.py. I don't know, I just like saying ply, people. Alright, so in this file, we're going to say input, and we're going to say type a num, and then we're going to tell it to go, and we're going to say num, num equals, and then we're going to say num plus 1, and then print that. Why does it keep doing that? Oh, I see. I need to turn off my stupid thing. Okay, I got it. So print that off. So input, it's going to use a number. And that's pretty much it. So it's going to take whatever number we put in and then add 1 and print it off. So let's execute that script. So ls cd desktop ls python input and type a num. Let's type 20. It'll print off 21 because we told it to add 1. What you should really do when you're doing input is a colon space. I actually learned this from the Bucky tutorial and it was really good. Or the new Boston, if you want to look him up, he has really good Python tutorials. This is supposed to be more Linux based, and I think I do more applied stuff than he did. You know, his tutorials are really good. I'm not even joking. I learned a lot of stuff off of his. I also have books and I've read articles and stuff, but his was probably one of the best pieces. So I can say 30 or whatever, and I'll add 1, print off. Now what about this raw input you're talking about? Okay, so raw input. And then let's say type a string. So we're going to set this up to string, str, That's actually something. So str1, how about that? And then we're just gonna print str1. And we can also concatenate that with something else. So let's print off the string plus that's a cool string. How about not that's a cool string? Is a cool string, because it's going to print up the string and it's going to concatenate it with this part. Okay. So if I can find my shell, then maybe. Okay, it's going to ask this part because it runs downward. So let's do 30. And it's going to add 1. And then it's going to ask us type string. Yeah. Oops, I can't press left. Yeah. Yeah, is a cool string. So that's pretty much inputs. And what else did I show? I showed something. I don't remember what. Whatever. I don't need to review over it. You guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I really don't know. That's funny. You guys do, so whatever. You guys were watching. Peace.